There you go.
Okay. Should I get some like candid action first? Touch AF canceled? How do I start it?
Just good morning and then.
Is it started?
Yes.
It started.
Let me see.
It started. It's recording.
Yes,
it says
there you
recording.
go.
What do I do?
Good morning.
How do they know you?
By my name.
Welcome back, or good morning, right? Good morning?
Good morning.
Good morning, Richard Ashby's. Alright. What else do I say?
I don't know. I was just letting you do what you gotta do, dog.
Oh, I'm shy.
Have fun.
I'm camera shy.
Freestyle.
Which, I do look good though.
I don't know how much of that I can use, so in case it's none, good morning. I'm at work right now because, not because I'm working, but just because I had nothing to do, and I was at home applying to some UGC gigs and stuff, and I started to get kind of discouraged about everything. So I started to feel kind of bad and groggy, so I went out for a walk, and then I decided, well, my manager called me, and he was like, hey, we're not really busy right now, if you wanted to just, like, come and hang out. And I needed to be in this area anyway, so I was like, sure. So I came over and I was like, okay, well, I'm here now, I guess. And we've just been hanging for a little bit. And I do feel a little less grog and a little better because of, I don't know. I don't know. I started to feel really discouraged, and I started to feel really like blah about everything. But getting out the house definitely helped. And it's not raining anymore because it was profusely downpouring. And I feel a lot better now about it. Okay. We could talk about that. So on my way over here, my car started making that noise. It's coming from the speakers. I don't know what's causing it, but I think after about 10 years, my time with this car is it's nearing its end. After that last clip, MJ and I just kind of went to dinner, and then that's it. We didn't really do much else after that. And now I'm here, sitting here on Coley, just kind of trying to find some more things to apply to. I don't know. I'm not gonna say I'm getting discouraged, but I think that's what it is. I'm getting discouraged. And I feel like I'm getting very discouraged, I guess is the word I want to use. I'm just getting discouraged about everything. But I'm trying not to. I know it's a process. And like, this has to be real. You feel? I'm sorry, you can't see it. This has to be real. We have to make this happen. This has to happen. This has to happen. Because once these things happen, this can happen. And I know that's a very egotistical, weird way of thinking things, but like, Richard Ashby, you know, can't exist until there's cash flow. And I'm not saying I can't be creative until I make money. I can absolutely be creative till and without making money. But like, Richard Ashby isn't just a creative venture. It is a brand and a business. And a business needs cash flow. And that's the part that sucks. Is developing that cash flow. That's the hard part. Cash flow is the most important thing right now. That's the thing. Like, and that's what's going on in my mind is cash flow, is cash flow, is cash flow. How do we get cash flow? Because like, I can't do the things I want to do without it. You know, I can't get the things I want to get. I can't pursue the things I want to pursue until I feel more secure in my financials. I don't know if that made sense or if I was just yapping. I've just kind of a lot of things going on. So I'm just going to end the vlog. Tomorrow's another day. All right. So with that, thank you so much for watching. Let's be back tomorrow for something different. Good night.